Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Here we have a Matterport Pro 3 rechargeable lithium ion battery. Model number 820-10001. I was lucky enough to purchase a few batteries, replacement batteries, and I got them all in. And I went to put this one in the camera, and if you notice, this slides out easily. Great, right? This one, however, sticks. And it's actually in there pretty good. So what this means is when I put it up inside the Pro 3, this one will lock in, which might be enough to hold it, but this one seems defective. I purchased these batteries on Amazon, and luckily I was within my return window, so I just initiated the return process, which for me anyway, they're going to refund the amount of this back to my original payment method, and they have provided me with some hazmat battery labels for the box, and it says that the seller, which is Matterport, will send me a shipping label within 2 days, which is a little unique, I think, from what I've experienced with Amazon in the past, where usually they'll send me like a QR code or something. I'm kind of bummed because I really did want extra batteries. And so I was hoping that they would just be able to kind of swap it out. Like I can send this one back and they would send me another one. But there is what appears to be a Pro 3 battery shortage. And so looks like I'm going to have to return this and just settle for a credit back to my card and be without this extra battery, which is fine because I have the one that originally came with the Matterport, and then I have 3 additional. So this would have been the 4th additional, which would have totaled 5 batteries. A little bit of an extremist, so I probably don't need 5 batteries, but it's nice to have, and if I ever decide to get more Pro 3s, I'll have plenty of batteries for them. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video and show you that this is sticking, and it doesn't pop out like it should, unlike this one. Just slides in and out, and this one doesn't. So yeah, that's that. If you have any comments, leave them below. Give the video a like if you want. Yeah, I look forward to hearing if anybody else is experiencing issues with this. All right, guys, thanks for watching.